I will show you how to clean your iPad screen without damaging it. Many users have damaged their iPad screen by using hand sanitizers or alcohol swabs because it doesn't work on this. So all you need to do is get a soft cloth, and then you can just make it wet a little bit from one end. Okay, then you can squeeze it and remove all the water. Okay, you can and just gently wipe your screen. Okay, okay, and using the dry side of the cloth, just clean it. If you just see, the screen is properly clean now. You won't see any traces or anything, and just that's the right way to clean it.